Okay, this is the rooftop at Lekki Gardens Phase 2. Currently we are upgrading the solar panel here from 2 kilowatt to 5 kilowatts. It's work in progress. As you can see, guys are busy. They are all busy there. Excellent is there. Excellent. Zito already all are working on the solar panel here. And in a while we'll be through with this project. It's an expansion. We've already done 10 panels before with 4 batteries of 200 amps, but now we are adding additional 11 panels to make 21 panels and upgrade to 5 kilowatts with additional 4 of 200 amp battery. So it's a fairly big system for a shortlet at Lekki here, so that they can go without the public power supply. So it's an incentive for you too. If you want to start your project, you can do any size of solar for anyone. Shopwise will give you wholesale prices for your solar products. We also install for you. So get started today. Go to our website shopwise.com.ng, www.shopwise.com.ng, and go and size your solar. There's a calculator there, world-class calculator that will help you to size your solar, and thereafter get an estimate of what it will cost you to do your solar. So don't delay, get started today.